They'll put waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit how.
Man, I sure hate painting rims. This is not a fun thing to do. Well, the paint part is cool, but you gotta sand in between all the spots. Yeah, I get it dull like that. If it's shiny like that, then it ain't ready. You gotta get it like that. Because if you leave it bare, that paint won't have nothing to grip on to. That's how the paint stick. And so, but yeah, you gotta go between all the grooves. I done did 2 of them. That's what they look like after they sanded and cleaned like a gunmetal. We gonna paint them black. So I got 2 more to go.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.
Check that out. You talking about a repair? You can't even see it. I'm gonna have to repaint this stuff. That's gonna suck. But it's gonna be easier because it's already painted. So it'll be easy to scuff up. Hold on. Let me show an example. It's a little piece of Scotch-Brite. No stress. See that? That's done. So you just need something for the paint to grip onto. That's it. That's all you do. Now, if it was straight chrome, like it was before, I'd go over the whole thing with a piece of 400 grit paper. Give it a little bit more bite, but because it's already been painted, Scotch-Brite that bitch. I ain't gonna do no more work tonight. I'm supposed to be in the house eating.
Wherever he lay.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit home.
Mama just hung her head and said, son. Mama just hung her head and said, son.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit home.
Was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They up in the waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit home.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.